Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again and I'm just gonna be doing a few little things. I hope the video won't be too long today. I've got a couple of beds just to finish reading out and sorting out, and once I've done that then I'll be back with you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. I'm sorry about the aeroplane noise. It always comes when we start filming. So we're just gonna do a little bit of weeding, maybe a little bit of digging this over. Might come and put a couple of wheelbarrow loads of manure on here. I'll see how it goes and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so managed to weed up this one and dig it over. Dug out a bit on this one, and that the one where the French beans is. Let my cameraman come round. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a few barrow loads of manure and just put on top, so that, because I noticed this dirt is really hard and it's crumbly but it's very dry. So I'm going to put some manure on there, and hopefully that'll soften it up a bit till when I dig it over again. Right, so gonna go around and get some manure. Then when I finish that now, when I finish that, I've got my tomatoes at the top to sort out. Then I'm just gonna give everything a quick water and call it a morning. Right, okay. See you, be back with you in a bit. Right everybody, so managed to bring around some manure. I've put about an 8-inch layer on top. Gonna let that rotten down. So I've done this bit. I've done this bit here, and I've done this one as well. I try to avoid getting it down to where my cucumbers are. And I've managed not to get none round where my my cho-cho is, or coyote is. You see it's just starting to run now. I think it might be a bit late in the season. So right, so the camera just went a bit funny then. I think it was a bit hot or something. So we've got the manure around. I've tried to avoid my coyote and my cucumbers. So what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to give everything a quick water, and then I'll show you what's going on down there. Everything's coming along nice. I might have to trim the grass again in a couple of weeks, because I see it's starting to grow. So now everything's getting a lot easier now. Once I've done this, everything's getting a lot easier. It's just that compost piles to sort out and tidy up, sort out the water butts and everything, and we're good to go. Everything should be a lot easier. That's what I'm working and aiming for, so that each year all I have to do is just trim and lightly dig this in, and everything should come along more quicker and more easier. So Gonna water, and then I'll be back with you in a minute and show you what's going on. Right everybody, so I managed to get my tomatoes tied up. Let my cameraman go around and show you. Right, and what I'm doing now, I'm just, I've got some spinach seeds. So what I'm doing, I've got one of my old potato buckets. I just put some blood fish and bone and some chicken manure pellets in there. I'm just putting some so I can get to, I don't know if it's too late or what to plant them, but nothing ventured, nothing gained. So just making sure it don't matter if they come up too thick, because I just want them to put in one of these beds. Right, so that's that, because see the rain is starting to come now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover them in I'm wondering if I should put a thin layer of cocoa coir if they will come through, or I'll just use this, I'll just use the dirt, leftover dirt what I've got. So that's a bucket of spinach there. Don't know if they'll grow. If they'll grow there, I'll spread them out and put them where they're to go. Right, right, so I'm going to give those a water, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on what's going on my plot. You see all my sweet potatoes? They've been in from checked yesterday, they've been in from the first of May. Is it May? May or April, one of the two. Can't remember now. That's how my memory's gone. Right, on the shelf you see my Scotch bonnets. Let my cameraman zoom in, you can see some little red ones and green ones at the bottom. Right, up on the shelf that's my hibiscus. Then my melon plant. Got 4 melon plants they're just running. There's only one melon on there. Let my cameraman zoom in on the melon, what's on there. Then I've got my ginger, what's down there. Then I've got my peanut plants. Right next to my peanut plants is my sweet potato. Then on the shelf I've got my chili plants. Let them come along. Baskets of fire, jalapeno, gold, Apache I think it is, I can't remember. You can see one of them's got a load of red peppers on it, what I'm going to pick soon. Right, coming down is my fennels. Don't know much about them, first time I've grown them, so I don't even know if they're doing well or not. In this one I've got my lettuce what I planted. They're scattered but that's all I need. Coming up, letting my cameraman come up. I've got my turmeric there. They grow like lilies, but they're doing quite well. And here I've got 2 banana plants what I got last Sunday. Got some strawberries in the hanging basket. Not the dry one what he's showing you. These hanging baskets gonna take them out soon because I don't think the strawberries are. I think this polytunnel's too hot for them. So all my sweet potatoes just taking up most of the floor space and everything. So that's how it works. So let them come out. Right, it's starting to rain now, so I'm gonna have to do this as quick as possible. Just shutting up my polytunnel. Right, come round here. Right, this is my herb bed, but it's mostly the ochre yam what's taking it out. I've got to sort it out later. My rhubarb came back. One of my potato buckets, I put a potato in the seed potato in there, and it's starting to come out, so that's all right. Right, this is my ochre yam. My beetroot I've got to sort out. These are my sweet potatoes. You can see how much they're running. They just like to take over everywhere. These are the tomatoes what I was just sorting out from the polytunnel. I just put them on, left them in the pots, and this bit broke off. I just stuck it in there. I don't know if it'll root because this is fresh manure, so it might be too strong for it. Right, these are my pak choy and kale and Romanesco cauliflower in there. Couple more tomatoes there. Got my carrots here, and I've got another bucket down here. I'm going to move that bucket out next time I come. This is my shimmer tomato plant. You can see how much my pumpkin's grown. Let my cameraman come in a bit more. You can see loads of little pumpkins on it. One there, I hope they're fertilised. I've seen a few bees and I try to hand pollinate them as well. So that's how tall it's grown, nearly halfway across. So this is just two hybrid Jamaican hybrids what someone gave me the seeds, and I got them. I think I might have a couple up there as well. Well, I'll see how it goes, because when I get up to the top I'll show you. These are my corns. You can see they're coming out now, and got the corn flowers and everything. My cucumber is here, and I only planted 2 courgette plants just for myself and 2 cucumbers. There's been giving off some cucumbers, so I've got cucumbers in the fridge. This is let my cameraman come round, my cho-cho or chayote. Got some more corns here. I've got 4 tomato plants here. I think these are the peach ones. They're growing very slowly, and I've got a lily from last year what's come up over there. I just left it there. Right, so These are my French beans. You can see it's got beans on it. Let my cameraman come round and show you. It's got French beans on it, so hopefully we'll be getting some of those soon. Well, I could pick them now technically, but I'm just gonna leave them for a week or so. Right. These are my cabbages and my broccoli. I've got some Romanesco lettuce. Got these spinaches and chard. That's why I want to plant it some more, so I can take those ones out and put some new ones in. And my broccoli down the front, done although it looks like that, but it's done exceptionally well this year. I'm really happy with it this year. And then this is my pumpkin patch. It's just doing exceptionally well. I've never seen pumpkins grow like this before over here. Everyone what walks past and everything say, how did I get them like that? I don't know. I put it about a 12-inch layer of manure down, and I didn't dig it in. All I did is just made a hole down into the soil and put the plant in and covered it over with, this was old manure. You can see how thick it is. That's still deep, and this is the results of it. I know pumpkins are very hungry plants, so I can see a few pumpkins here and there, but whether they're fertilised, pollinated or not, I'm not sure. But they're growing at some rate. Got a different varieties in here. Don't know why this fence is starting to lean over now, but it's still strong. I've got some different varieties in here where you can see the ones with the striped leaves and all that. I think I've got Crown Prince, Jamaica Hybrid, Jamaica Globe, Cinderella, Casperita, banana ones, butternut squash, couple of other ones what I can't remember, but I've planted a mixture of pumpkins this year to see which ones grow better, but it's not which one will grow better this year, it's just how they're growing. You can see the leaves are nice and healthy and everything, so that's what's happening on the patch this year. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So you take care, and happy gardening to all of you. See you on the next one.